Welcome to SwiftLane online training. Today we're going to discuss another component of visitors access, which are the visitor passes. We have two types of passes, the single use and the multi-use. And the single use is for one-time entry. And after 5 minutes of entry, the PIN code will deactivate. For the multi-use, you can set a activation date and time and a deactivation date and time. And once that deactivation date and time is reached, then that particular pass will expire. My name is Victoria Wickman, and I'm your Operations Senior Success Manager here at SwiftLane. Let's jump right in. So here you're in your workspace, and you want to click on Visitors Access and then Visitors Passes. And here you will see all the passes that have been created, who created them, when they were created, and when they were last used. You can also see the status. They're disabled, active, expired. You can also go in and edit by clicking the I. And let's say you want to filter by visitor passes name, status, if they're active, expired, or disabled. Or let's say there's a particular site that you would like to see what passes are active, expired, or disabled, you can select the site. Now, let's say you want to lock down the capability of these visitors passes by user group. You can select this gear here, and you can change the settings to restrict by user group. And you would select the user group that is allowed to give out this particular pass. So as you can see, everyone here can access the single use pass, but the multi-use is only available to the admin group. If you would like all users to have the ability to do either or, you can select all users. Click save, and that will save your settings. Now let's add a visitor's pass. So remember the pass types, we have a single use and multi-use. We're going to do a single use. We're going to click the site for this pass. And let's say we're going to do Amazon delivery because they only need access one time. We're going to say it's going to come tomorrow at 9 a.m. And then we're gonna, the latest it's gonna be is Friday. We're gonna set the time. And then we're gonna grant the backdoor access because that's where deliveries are made. And since this is a delivery, there's no need to send anyone an email with the PIN code. So we're gonna just hit create. So here you can see my entry, what type it is. I created it, when, and you can see the status is active. Now let's just pop in my email to see, since I'm the one who created it, I will get an email with the PIN code. And as you can see, the PIN code is right there. And I would just enter this into the Amazon order, and then that particular Amazon delivery person will enter that PIN code at that door. And after 5 minutes, as you can see, the pass expires 5 minutes after first use. So that is the single use pass. Now let's create a multi-use pass. Let's say you have a cleaning lady that needs to come in office. So we're going to create a cleaning office pass. They're going to be starting tomorrow by noon. And then we're going to deactivate in about a month. We're going to try this cleaning service for about a month. Then we're going to hit front door because that is the access point that they're going to come in from. And then we're going to send this to Susie's Cleaners, Susie at cleaners.com. We're going to send her a visitor's passcode directly to her email. So we're going to hit create. And as you can see, You can see the name of the pass, that it is a multi-use pass, the access time that they're able to access this pass, who created it, when it was created, and if it's active or not. So let's go ahead and pop into the email, and you will see that I've created this SwiftLane pass named Cleaning Office. Here's the PIN code, and this is when it expires. And Susie will also have this email as well. That concludes the visitors passes. Should you have any issues or questions, you can contact our tech support line at 833-947-9438 or email us at support@swiftlane.com. Thanks for joining me on this video. See you on the next one.